Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another exclusive. So we are back at the Cambridge. This is the second video I'm doing. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more content like this. Remember to like the video, leave a comment as well in terms of the pace of this construction and what you think about this construction. And like and share as well so that more persons can see this video. And if you're thinking about options to donate to the channel, you can also see that in the description. We have PayPal and other banking information as well. So this is the Cambridge apartment complex being developed by the Guardian Group. It's 2 to 4 Musgrave Avenue, Kingston 5. That's New Kingston. It's next door to the Hampshire as well. I'll show you a little bit of the Hampshire when I'm finished. I'll also go up closer to that billboard so you see a better look of the finished project as well. And we have Guardian head office right over here. So this is the company, the insurance company, for those who don't know. This is one of the the highly talked about apartment as well in terms of amenities. We see pool, we see recreational areas, we see jogging trail. They'll have underground parking, elevator, and a lot more. So it's not just one big cluster. It will be multiple different clusters. So this is what we're taking a look at today, guys. I'll also put in the description as well the link for the first video I did so you guys can see the pace of the work. That was about 6 months ago. They could have been moving faster, but I guess because they're building multiple clusters and all of them is moving at the same pace, that's the reason why I think they're not further along. For example, like 20 South is just one big cluster going up to, I think, 12 floors. So just showing you guys a quick look at this apartment complex, the Cambridge, being developed by the Guardian Group. Alright, so this is a little better look in terms of the finished project. See if I can clear it up for you guys. So we have the different clusters, recreational area, jogging area, pool. And behind the Cambridge we can see a glimpse of the AC Hotel, AC Marriott. See if I can clear up that. So that's right there. I also have a video on the channel in terms of a more in-depth look on the new AC Hotel. For the Cambridge, I'm not sure if they're all sold out. I don't think so though. So I think there is still availability on the Cambridge. So today is a Sunday, so I don't think, well, there's no work happening today. So I guess today is their rest day. I know despite Rona virus, I know work is still going on. So I guess today is the rest day. Most of these properties on this road as well, Musgrave Avenue, is owned by the Guardian Group. So they have a massive real estate portfolio in New Kingston. Even these properties right here behind me is also owned by the Guardian Group. Alright, so this is the front view, that's the side view. And of course, as the property progresses, as it gets closer to being finished, I'll do more updates as well so you guys can see the pace of work. And then with this one, because it's not one big cluster, they don't have just one big crane, they have a mobile crane so it can move from cluster to cluster. rather than one big crane attached to one of the buildings. So this is the front view, the Cambridge apartment complex. And as I mentioned, it's right around the corner from another new development, the Hampshire. So very close to New Kingston, about 1 minute drive from New Kingston, 5 minutes walk into the New Kingston Business Center, or Business District. There's another picture of the Cambridge. I'll go close up to that one looks a bit clearer. So let me cross the road. So this is the Cambridge. Alright, so this is the Hampshire over here that we were just talking about. And over here, number 3, this property looks a bit run down as well. You know, probably there's future plans to develop it. The wall is very high, so you can hardly see over it. That's this one here, number 3, and this tall one is the Hampshire, still not fully occupied. Again, guys, leave your thoughts, leave your comments. So the construction company is Boomer Construction. First, I'm seeing this one, and the multiple coverage that I've done, the multiple construction site that I've visited. Alright, so this is looking at the Cambridge from another angle. So there's a lot of real estate happening in Kingston, in Jamaica right now, both residential and commercial. And despite the economic slowdown due to the pandemic, and now is the time to invest, now is the time to develop, because the economy will bounce back. And as we approach the end of this video, guys, remember to leave your comment, remember to like and share the video as well. So we're gonna take a glimpse at the Hampshire, which is around the corner. It's on Colin Bank Road. I also have a full video on the Hampshire on the channel, so you can check that out as well. So the Cambridge and the Hampshire will be basically neighbors, quite similar to 20 South and Parkhurst one, which are next door each other. So this is another very new apartment complex. I know a lot of the tenants have moved in, not sure if all the units are occupied. I know I see some for rent signs. So I know some of them is renting. And this is Colin Bank Avenue. So we have the Hampshire on this side, and then Cambridge on the other side. And as usual, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, thanks for all the support.